Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Ellen. On my channel, I share some fantastic content. Oh my goodness gracious! Woo! Wow! Wow! Well, that enrichment almost knocked me out of my chair. It's a good thing it didn't, because I would have never been able to get off the floor. Well, if you guys are looking for some content to enrich your classroom or your homeschool learning, be sure and go down below to click that subscribe button and turn the bell on for notifications so that you know when I upload new content. Alright, let's get started with today's video. On June 20th, 1782, the Continental Congress both adopted the Great Seal of the United States and approved the bald eagle as the nation's symbols. While showing you an activity that you can do with your children or students, I'm going to give you a very brief outline of how this occurred. Remember that additional information can be found on reputable sites or in history books. These will provide additional details for each important step in the process. Originally, Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, and John Adams were asked to design the seal for our country. However, their suggestions, along with two future committees' suggestions, were not approved by Congress. That is where the Secretary of Congress, Charles Thomson, comes into play. He reviewed the previous designs and then created a recommendation for Congress. Congress approved the design on January 20th, 1782. Now, most of us have heard the story of Benjamin Franklin suggesting the turkey as the national symbol. However, Mr. Franklin's actual suggestion came from the Bible and depicted a scene where the Lord protected the Israelites from the Egyptians at the Red Sea. The scene also included the saying, "Rebellion to tyrants is obedience to God." So where did the turkey myth come from? This was actually derived from a letter that he penned to his daughter in 1784. Which, as you can tell, is several years later. This is also a private letter and not a public suggestion. In this letter, he does express that he wishes the bald eagle hadn't been chosen to represent our country. He states that the eagle is a bird of bad moral character. In the letter, he provides examples of why he believes this, and therefore why he feels it is not a good representation of our country. He utilizes the turkey within the letter as a comparison. A few of these statements were that the turkey is a much more respectable bird and a bird of courage. While I have been going over a very brief outline of this historic event, you have seen a creation of the bald eagle being constructed. Utilizing this hands-on project and allowing children to create their own eagle out of Play-Doh while you review the full story of this historic event creates a fun, interactive history lesson for multiple ages. Students of all ages, even high school students, enjoy this type of lesson. They can be creative and are not just sitting there listening to a lecture. Once everyone is finished, they can have a gallery walk to view each other's projects. You can also provide sticky notes so that they can leave comments telling each other what they like about each other's creation. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.